Hello guys, your boy Rex here, and today I'm going to show you a simple strategy you can use to make sales fast with ClickBank and YouTube without creating any videos. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing you have to do is to go to ClickBank Marketplace and choose a high converting product. High converting product, a product that is paying a good commission and is also having high gravity. So you can sort by gravity to find the best products that are worth promoting, that are converting, and that have a good amount of percentage per sale. So you can see there are many products you can choose from. For example, I'll choose the Cinderella. Let me check the Cinderella solution. Okay. You can see the Cinderella solution is a. You also have to check the landing page. If the landing page is good, like this one, video landing pages tend to convert better than landing pages with only text, because many people consume video more than reading these days. So for example, I'm going to choose the Cinderella solution. I can just click on promote and put your hub link inside it and tracking link. You can put a tracking ID inside, like text, and click generate hub link. So the next partner is how we are going to promote this product to make sales with YouTube, and you don't need to create any videos. So with this method, you're going to go to YouTube and you're going to use YouTube influencers. So YouTube influencers are people that have a large following on YouTube and they're already creating content about our topic, for example, weight loss. Then we can pay them a certain fee for them to put our link in the description of their videos, and we're going to make sales through that way. So for example, if you go to YouTube, you type like weight loss, you're going to see a lot of videos about weight loss. So all you have to do is to find an influencer, someone that can put your affiliate link in their YouTube description, and you're going to pay them a little amount of fee. For example, $20, $30, like for 30 days. So for example, like this is weight loss. Let me find someone. You're going to be looking for smaller channels to promote on, because most of these big channels, like this one, Dr. O's, is a channel that is like a company. So you cannot contact them for a promo, they will not accept for a promo. So you can go for smaller channels that are not branded channels. For example, let me search for one that I recently used. For example, these are some of the channels. This one is weight loss motivation. So you have to check, for example, okay, as you can see under the video, it says that for business inquiries, contact us at this email address. So you can go to YouTube and search for channels like this that have videos, or is that have subscribers. They have subscribers and they have a lot of views. This video was uploaded yesterday and it already has 7,000 views. So if you contact this person at the owner of this YouTube channel at this email address, the person is going to negotiate a price with the owner of this YouTube channel. I recommend you can get started like $20, like for 30 days, and try to negotiate the price a little bit. I've gotten deals for around $20, $30 for 30 days to put my link in the description. And this video is having a lot of views, and the more people that watch these videos, the more sales that you are going to get if they click. The more people are going to click on your affiliate link, and the more sales you can get. So if you so you- if you go to a YouTube channel and search for it, and you cannot find if you cannot find if you cannot find the email address to contact the channel in the description. For example, let me just take a channel here. Let me just take this channel. For example, this is a weight loss channel, and if you want to contact this channel and there's no link in the description like in the previous example, you have to go is to click on the you have to click on the profile, on the YouTube profile, check on the YouTube channel and go to the about section. When you click on the about section, most of them typically have the email addresses on the email addresses at the about section. This one doesn't have email address on the about section, but it has an Instagram handle, so you can go to and DM this person on Instagram. So let me see another example. So as you can see, guys, there are a lot of channels that you can do this. This is only in the weight loss niche, and you can contact a lot of people in the different niches that are available on ClickBank, like diabetes, the spirituality niche. So there's a lot of opportunity. So as you can see for this one, Felicia. Also, for business inquiry, you can contact Felicia at this email address, and you can ask her to put the link, your affiliate link, in the description of this video. As you can see, this video has up to 6 million views, so there's a potential that you can make a lot of money from potential you can make a lot of money with your link in the description of this video. So this one doesn't have the email address in the about section, but the email address in the video description, so you can just copy from there and send them an email and ask them how much they charge, and try to negotiate the price to be a bit lower, and you can make a lot of sales promoting ClickBank products using this method. So that is it, guys. I want you to take action on this method. There's a lot of opportunity. There's a lot of opportunity that you can make a lot of sales with this method. For example, if you want to go to the spirituality niche, you just type something like the law of attraction. The law of attraction, you're going to find a lot of channels. For example, let's click on this one. For example, this is a YouTube channel on the law of attraction. That's in the spirituality niche. You can promote products like manifestation magic, the numerology. So there's a lot of opportunity on YouTube, and many people are not using these methods. So you can go to this channel. You can go onto this channel, and let's see, as they're all based on the law of attraction and the self-help niche. So you can go to the about section and check. For example, this one, if you click on this view email address there, you can see their email address. You can contact them for business. So if you click on view email address, verify this robot check, click on submit, you're going to see their email address in the about section, so you can contact them and ask for a promo and how much they charge for you to put a link in the description of their YouTube videos. So because this is targeted traffic, these people are already interested in the law of attraction, so they are ready to buy a product that is in the law of attraction, and this channel already has credibility. This channel, they already trust this channel, so they know that any product they're recommending from this channel has a lot of value, and many people are going to buy your product. So guys, take action on this method. And if you like this video and like to see more videos from me, please leave a like and subscribe, and put your comments, put your thoughts in the comment section, what videos you want me to produce next, to teach next. So thanks guys, and see you in the next video.